In Hyderabad, BJP Yuva Morcha President Tejasvi Surya says every single vote to OAC is a vote against India.
Akbaruddin and Asaduddin Owaisi are speaking about development. They did not let metro come inside old Hyderabad. They have not let any development come inside old Hyderabad. They have not let new infrastructure projects come inside old Hyderabad. The only thing that they have allowed inside old Hyderabad is Rohingya Muslims. So they have no right to speak about development. The party which says give us 15 minutes and we will show Hindus their place has no right to lecture the BJP on secular values and constitutional values. Every single vote to OIC is a vote against India and everything that India stands for.
All right, let's go right across to Somit. Somit, war of words there. Tejasvi Surya hitting right back at Asaduddin Owaisi as well.
Well, yesterday Asaduddin Owaisi has spoke to the media and he clearly said that he has responded on radicalization as well as on UAP Act. He even said that the BJP government has always targeted the Muslims and also the Dalits by using this UAP Act. And he even said that there are two MPs in the Bharatiya Janata Party who they themselves have, praised Nathuram Godse. And he has asked that, is that not a radicalization? And later that, after responding on those issues and on OIC, Tejasvi Surya has spoke to the media and he said that vote to the OIC in Hyderabad means and vote against the country, and even responded on several issues too. But he focused on mainly OIC. He also said that OIC is another Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and Muhammad Ali Jinnah's new avatar is Asaduddin Owaisi, and he said that TRS and MM are two faces of same coin, and KCR want to make Hyderabad and Istanbul.
Right.
He spoke all things, and he also said that MM wants Hyderabad of India to look like Hyderabad of Pakistan.
Right, Somit, thanks so much for joining us with that update. Let me quickly get in a word from Shahzad Poonawalla on this. Shahzad Poonawalla, massive war of words there between Asaduddin Owaisi and Tejasvi Surya, and now Tejasvi Surya saying that they have no right to talk about development when they have not allowed it in old Hyderabad.
Absolutely. See, these statements are coming in the light of the GHMC elections, with the BJP is going to fight with a lot of seriousness. As you remember, Mr. Bhupinder Yadav, a key strategist of Bihar, has been deputed also to oversee the entire operations there. And you have faces like Tejasvi Surya also going there. So obviously it's going to be a very, very polarized campaign, because Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi also has not been speaking about the development of Hyderabad as such. He's been an MP from there for many, many years now. His party and his family has been ruling that place. But the issues that Mr. Owaisi keeps on speaking about is about the deprivation of Muslims across the country, about how RSS and BJP is depriving Muslims, about how radicalization study is going to lead to alienation and is going to be used against Muslims. So therefore, he's going to be paid back in the same coin if he's going to raise those kinds of issues, because it's going to be a polarized battle, and maybe to some extent the real issues of Hyderabad might get drowned down in this kind of polarizing battle.
All right, thanks so much for joining us, Shahzad, with that update.